Add the Major Cities data set from the Oregon Data Geodatabase. In the Symbology pane for the Major Cities layer, set the symbology to graduated symbols and set the field to POP 2014. Notice the tabs in the lower half of the Symbology pane, Classes and Histogram. Click the Histogram tab. Examine the spacing of the class breaks and horizontal bars showing the number of cities in each class. Hover over the X symbol to see the mean value. Click More, Show Statistics to see more information. Click it again to turn them off.